Hello and welcome to National Weather Service Pocatello's weather hazard briefing for Saturday, November 20th. Here's what you'll see in this presentation, a summary. We are expecting areas of fog during the morning hours this morning, mainly in the higher elevations that get into the low cloudiness that is in the Snake River Plain and northeastern highlands. There will also be some high elevation snow and low elevation rain and snow showers that will linger through the morning. However, it will taper off severely by the evening in the eastern highlands, and that would be from border to border. So that would range from the Montana border down to the Utah border and everything that touches Wyoming. Expect the northwest airflow to keep temperatures cool to cold until it switches late on Sunday afternoon. Look for a much warmer Monday, and then the next rain and snow arrives on Tuesday. During the day, there is, though, a high uncertainty of just how much snow. Pretty sure something is going to be coming through, and the current trend has been for lower snowfall amounts, but there's still quite a degree of uncertainty as far as the magnitude of this storm and how it exactly tracks, whether it's to the north of us or to the south. All right, so here's an overview of the coming week or so, 5 days actually. Here today, one of the days, probably our best chance of snow actually, as it looks like right now for the southeast and eastern highlands, and also fog in the eastern highlands. What you see, there is a slight chance of snow though for the South Hills, for some portions of the Snake Plain, especially if you're bordering the eastern highlands, and then in Lemhi County there is a slight chance of snow as well. That all disappears though for Sunday and Monday. High pressure moves back in, and then it's sunny and about 5 degrees warmer on Monday. And then Tuesday, that storm is coming in. As you can see, first place it strikes is in the Central Idaho Mountains, where we have a slight chance of snow all day. And then in the afternoon, there's a slight chance for the southeast highlands, eastern highlands, and that does linger during the day on Wednesday. Here's the current satellite image. You can see the blue clouds are actually low clouds. They could actually be not just low stratus, but fog as well. And you can see how they spread from the craters of the moon area eastward into the Snake River Plain, and you can see even some of it making into the northeast highlands and some of the northern end of the southeast highlands as well. And those will linger today, and they'll be their worst today. They will be much less in coverage tomorrow and pretty much non-existent for Monday morning. All right, so let's get into the details and how this snow evolves for today. So this is Saturday. You can see where the snow is expected, mostly in the eastern highlands and maybe out into the Snake River Plain. So here's where we're forecasting the snow this morning. This is probably the heaviest period. You can see it's less than an inch in all locations unless you get into the Teton range. And even less in the afternoon, a lot of that changing over to rain. And then by the evening hours, we're left with nothing but a small triangle up here in the West Yellowstone area, impinging on or affecting basically just Interstate 15 and US 20. And that continues into the late night hours, again, just along the Montana border, Max Inn, Island Park area. So this is a total snowfall from now through basically 5 a.m. tomorrow morning. You can see most locations it's still, even with extended period of time, almost the entire 24 hours, where it's over places like the Yellowstone and Island Park area, it's still, when you add it all up together, less than an inch. And so it's only when you get into some of the passes like Teton Pass and the pass, so Pine Creek Pass over into Wyoming, where you start getting 1 to 2 inches, maybe 1 to 3. Here's probably the windiest day of the next 3 at least. You can see basically 12 to 20 mile an hour winds in the Snake River Plain and eastern Magic Valley, and out of the west and southwest, not terribly unusual directions, frankly. All right, temperatures. We are seeing temperatures warm a little bit from yesterday, but not a whole lot. Still around 40 degrees in Pocatello and upper 30s for a lot of locations, and that's again due to a lot of the cloud cover. The northwest winds continue and will keep it that way. Here's the overnight lows. They're a little bit colder, not as much cloud. And then here is Sunday morning. You can see the high pressure will be to our north, which will still continue the northerly airflow. And so temperatures stay cool. Not a whole lot of warming here, maybe 1 or 2 degrees. Overnight lows, since we get a warmer afternoon, again, they're slightly warmer here, but in the central Idaho Mountains. But notice that we're actually colder in the Snake River Plain because we've lost all that cloud cover entirely. And then here is transition day, Monday, where you can see the storm is moving into the Pacific Northwest with rain and snow mixtures all the way from the Panhandle down into central Oregon. And that will push our way on the next day, Tuesday. But for Monday night, it's going to stay away. And we're still going to be under high pressure. High pressure is now to our east, which gives us southerly winds. And you can see here warmer temperatures with Stanley, actually warmer than Pocatello, 50 degrees at Stanley. Overnight lows, though, clear skies, really cold, 15 at Stanley. Back in the mid-20s, though, for Blackfoot. Pocatello, Idaho Falls, still at 21. And then on Tuesday, again, it takes a while for the cloudiness to get here, but it does. You can see Stanley much cooler with the cloud cover there starting earlier. Pocatello, Blackfoot, Idaho Falls, not quite as much because it takes a while for the cloudiness and the precipitation to get here, but it does, and we do cool down at least slightly. Look at the overnight lows, much colder. Look at Stanley, just 12 degrees. And then Wednesday highs, you can see it's knocked down about 7 to 10 degrees temperature-wise. So that's all I have. If you have any further questions, you can contact us at this number down here, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Or check out the weather yourself at weather.gov/Pocatello. Thanks for watching.